Set in the heart of the East Side, this charming Colonial will instantly make you feel at home in its bright and spacious floor plan boasting natural light and hardwood floors. Step inside to the generous living room with a brick fireplace and lovely sunroom with floor-to-ceiling windows. The family room is enveloped in walls of windows, assuring plenty of natural light, while the adjacent dining room opens directly into the renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and stone counters. A full bath with a spa shower and a subway tile design sits at the back of the house. Enjoy al fresco dining on the spacious wooden deck and look out onto the nicely landscaped yard. The second floor has 3 nicely proportioned bedrooms, including a spacious master with a sitting room currently being used as a nursery. The stylishly renovated full-tile bath has a classic black and white motif. This home's desirable location allows you to walk to all of the shops and restaurants in delightful Hope Village, or visit Lippitt Park and its popular farmers market. The facilities of both Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design make their home on nearby College Hill, while easy access to the highway and the downtown commuter rail allow you to travel along the Northeast Corridor. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.